Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna create this very retro looking contemporary bridal makeup look. This is a very impactful yet beautiful and stunning looking makeup look for a bridal event. Probably you can wear this for a reception event. It would look absolutely stunning and you would totally look like a rock star on your big day. So if you want to know how I achieved this retro contemporary bridal makeup look, then please do continue watching. I have already cleansed my face using my Dermavive Hydra cleanser. This is a very mild and gentle cleanser for your skin, also suitable for sensitive skin types. To moisturize, I'm using my Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion, which I absolutely love using with or without makeup. It provides a lot of hydration to your skin without making your skin look oily or anything. I'm just massaging the product all over the face and neck. It is also important that you hydrate your lips, so I'm using my Neutrogena lip balm here to hydrate my lips as well and to prep them for my lipstick application. I'm going to begin with the eyebrows. First, I'm taking my favorite pack, eyebrow definer. I'm going to pick up this ashy dark brown eyebrow powder on the spoolie that comes along with the kit itself. I'm actually using the angled brush and just filling in my eyebrows and kind of going a little bolder for today's look because this is a very bolder look. So I wanted my brows to look bolder as well. Then I'm going to take the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer in the shade Medium Deep and just applying that all over the eyelids. This is just going to act as a base for my eyeshadow and also cleaning up under the bottom area of my eyebrows to make them look more sharper and defined. I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge to blend it out. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Revolution Soph X Extra Spice palette. I'm picking up this warm mid-tone brown shade. This is a matte finish. I'm taking that on a blending brush and just running that all over the crease in a blown out way and making sure that it is thoroughly blended and there are no harsh lines. Then I'm going to take this very deep burgundy toned eyeshadow. Again, it is a matte finish. I'm taking that on a flat brush and just applying all over the eyelids. This is a very simple eye look, but just make sure that you blend these eyeshadows properly. And here I'm using another tapered brush just to merge the edges of the darker shade and the lighter shade on the crease. This is just going to create that smooth transition between both the shadows. Now I'm going to take the Revlon 24-hour Kajal pencil. This is one of my absolute favorite affordable Kajals. So I'm just using that on my waterline to line them and also to tight line. I've used a thick layer of this Kajal on the lower lash line because I am going in for that smoky liner effect today. Once that is done, I'm also gonna line my upper lash line slowly and gently, not really creating a very thick eyeliner, keeping it quite moderate. And as soon as I applied the Kajal, I'm taking a pencil brush to smudge the liner out to give that smudged out smoky liner effect. Now to prep my skin, I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is a silicone based primer. So I'm just applying that to the main areas of my face and blending it out. This is just going to fill in any pores on the skin and create a smooth, even canvas before I apply my foundation and everything on top. An orange color corrector is a must for me, so I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange and applying that on top of the hyperpigmented areas around the mouth, on top of my acne spots, and also under the eyes, on top of my dark circles, and using the same camo concealer sponge from e.l.f. to blend it out. Make sure you blend out the orange color corrector, otherwise the products that you apply on top can blend in with the orange color corrector. And here you can see that I applied a little extra, so I'm just trying to take away any excess using the same beauty blender. For foundation, I'm mixing two foundations today. First, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish foundation in the shade Warm, and the number is 11, and the Rimmel Lasting Radiance foundation, mixing them both and using my Miniso buffing brush to blend out the foundation. So I'm using gentle dabbing motion to apply the foundation all over my face, and this concoction was really nice on the skin as well because the Charlotte Tilbury foundation is very matte on the skin and it's a little warmer for my liking, so the Rimmel one kind of made it a little bit more neutral and it went perfectly on my skin tone. I'm using the same Flower Beauty concealer again to highlight and conceal my under eyes as well as to highlight the center of my face, and then using a concealer blending brush from PAC to blend everything out slowly and gently in gentle dabbing motions. Now to contour my face, I do not have the product shot here, but I'm using the Sugar Face Forward stick in the shade Espresso Edge, which is a deep chocolatey brown warm contouring stick. So I'm just applying that wherever I want that definition on my face, such as the hollows of the cheeks, the perimeters of my forehead, my jawline, the sides of the nose, as well as around the mouth area to make my lips look more pouty, and using the same Miniso brush to blend everything out. And to blend out the nose contour and the lip contour, I'm using a smaller blending brush from Miniso again. So I'm just using the damp beauty blender once again to make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere on the base makeup. Before setting it with powder, I'm using the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray to lock the entire makeup in place and to make sure that it lasts longer. After which I'm going to take my K Beauty loose powder in the shade Latte, which is a couple of shades lighter than my own complexion, and I'm going to use that to bake underneath my eyes. So I'm taking a nice amount of the powder and just pressing it gently on the under eyes to prevent any creases as well as to prevent any oiliness on the skin. I'm also taking that on the sides of my nose, the center of my forehead, and around the mouth area where I tend to crease a lot. This is just going to make sure that the base makeup is well set in place using the loose powder. I'm taking a powder brush to set the rest of the face as well using the same loose powder. Then I'm taking this really deep charcoal matte black eyeshadow. I'm taking that on an angled brush and just going very close to my lower lash line to define them further and to lock the kajal in place. Then I'm using the same dark brown shade that I used earlier on my eyelids to smudge out and smoke out my lower lash line as well. Once that is done, I'm just gonna brush off all of the excess loose powder away from my skin. For mascara, I'm using the Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. It has two different wands, so I'm using the fatter wand to coat my upper eyelashes and also using the same wand on my lower lashes as well. For bronzer, I'm using the Hoola Caramel Bronzer from Benefit, one of my favorites, and just using an angled contouring brush to just set the cream contour right in place. This is a beautiful bronzer for dusky skin tones. I absolutely love it. I'm using a smaller blending brush for my nose as well as the mouth area. For blusher, I'm using the Nykaa Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. I'm only using the more corally shade of blusher here because I wanted that kind of a tone on my skin. So I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and slightly sculpting it out up until the temple area. This is just gonna give your face a nice lift. For highlighter, I'm using this very intense highlighter from Mars Cosmetics. This is their velour highlighter in the shade Gold. It is a very intense foiled bronzy gold highlighter. I'm using a highlighter brush to apply that to the tops of my cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and also to highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well as the brow bone area. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Burgundy to overdraw and outline my lips, because I am going in with a very deep, rich, dark burgundy shade on top of this. For lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Matellicious lip crayon in the shade Twilight Dreams, which is a very deep wine maroon shade, which I absolutely loved on my skin tone. It's a very deep shade of plum. It looks stunning on dusky complexions. So I'm just using that lip crayon all over my lips, and it's a very nice formula as well. Very soft and smooth on the lips and dries down to a matte finish. Again, I'm going to set everything in place using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray once again, and this is also going to take away any powderiness from the skin and just add that beautiful sheen of glow all over the skin. And here is the final finished retro glam bridal makeup look. It's a very unique bridal look. It's not for everyone, but it looks absolutely stunning with lots and lots of kundan jewelry. All of these jewelry pieces are from Kushal fashion jewelry. You might have seen this in one of my previous videos. So here is the look. All the products that I used in today's video will be listed in the description box. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this retro bridal makeup look. It's very contemporary, very bold, but absolutely looks stunning. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.